Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect GitHub with Zoho Projects. Alright, so first up under Zoho Projects. And what you'll do is just go ahead over to the top right, click on the gear icon, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Developer Space. Okay, click on it and just go ahead and find a Service Hooks. Okay, click on Service Hooks. Now go ahead and select the project right here. And once done, copy the GitHub integration. Okay, we have here the webhook. Just copy it. Now go to github.com and just go ahead and select one of your repository. Click on it, wait for it to load. Now go to settings right here at the top. Now go to webhooks in the left panel. Now just go ahead and click on add webhook. Okay, just paste it right here under payload URL, right click and paste. There you go. And once that's done, go ahead and select the content type, JSON. Okay. And once that's done, if you want to, you can go ahead and disable SSL certification. But most importantly, which event would you like to trigger this webhook? Just select just the push event. Okay. Make it active. And once that's done, click on add webhook. All right. And there you have it. After setting up the integration, any changes committed in the integrated GitHub repository will now be visible within the linked Zoho Projects project, often under the issues or dedicated bug tracker section. Okay, you can link specific GitHub commits or issues to tasks, all right, or bugs within Zoho Projects, providing a consolidated view of development progress. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.